How to roast cashews. Presented by TTQ Company, Vietnam. Preheat the roasting machine. Salt is already added into the machine. Then add the cashew nuts with skin or without skin as per your requirement from the top as shown here. Salt helps in even roasting of the nuts, giving a uniform color to the nuts without burn marks. During the cashew roasting process, we need to take samples and check the process regularly to see how well the nuts are getting roasted. Once the roasting cycle is complete, the drum's rotation is reversed, causing a mixture of roasted cashews and salt to be discharged from the roasting machine. As the nuts and salt exit the roaster, they pass through a strategically placed mesh screen. This screen plays a crucial role in separating the roasted cashews from the salt particles. The mesh screen is designed with apertures that are specifically sized to allow the salt granules to pass through while retaining the larger cashew nuts. As the nut and salt mixture cascades over the screen, the salt falls through the openings, effectively separating it from the nuts. The roasted cashews, unable to pass through the mesh due to their larger size, continue their journey along the screen until they are collected in a designated container or conveyor belt. Your tasty and crunchy roasted cashew nut is ready. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel for more on cashew nuts.